Hello students, today we'll learn the chapter Importance of Water. Okay, it is chapter 7 of your class 5th DAV Public School. Okay, in this chapter we'll learn that so it is your importance of water. So we'll learn that how the water is important for all the living organism, means for animal as well as for plants. Then what is the availability of water? Okay, and the very important topic which will be from where and how we get this water. Okay, so let's read this chapter. As I always instruct you, always advise you that we all should go for books from beginning to end. We should read it thoroughly, okay, because it is having so many concepts, so many informations, and we should read it with understanding everything. So let's see, water is an important natural resource. Natural resource, if I am saying, means anything which we are getting from nature, which is of our use. Okay, so these are called the natural resource. Okay, so from nature we get water, and this water is very important for all the living beings. Okay, it is essential for survival, which is essential for all the living beings. Okay, you can imagine the life for some days without food, but you can't imagine the life without water, है ना. So we used to say that jal hi jeevan hai. Why? Because this water plays a very crucial role in the, you can say, on earth. We are very fortunate that we have a blue planet, and among the solar system there is a blue planet having the 3/4 part covered its surface as a water, and we are getting that water is having you can say enormous use and enormous importance. So let's see at your level, it is essential for the existence and survival of plants, birds, animals, and human beings. Okay, we use water for drinking and other household activities like washing, bathing, cooking, cleaning, and so on. Water is also used for irrigating the fields, generating electricity, transportation. So you can see, if you see the daily uses, you are getting this one. If you see the uses at farming level, then in case of irrigation means supplying of water to plants, है ना. Then generating electricity, we are going to be highly we need energy to do in the modern countries. We, and there is a large consumption of energy. From where we are getting energy? By one of the way is electricity, and there is a hydroelectricity, means the generation of electricity with the help of water. So generating electricity, then transportation. Okay, you have seen the ships and ships, all the navigation, then marines, all cruises, everything. For everything means the transportation, we need water here. Okay, so, and you know, this is the among three airways, waterways, and the, you can say, land areas or the roadways. The waterways is the you can say cheapest way. So you can just see that how this water is playing important role. Okay, so it was about just an introduction. What you should do, you should read this paragraph, and you should write at least 10 points by yourself that how the water plays important role. Okay, then let's see the next part. The, do you know the human body contains about 70% of water? Our body contains, हमारी body में overall, if we just see the 70%, because all the chemical reaction, everything is going to occur in this water. As a water is a, you can say, the universal solvent, मतलब हर चीज़ लगभग इसमें घुल जाती है, ठीक है. So our body contains approx 70% of water. Now you can just see how important it is. Okay, as I have talked to you about the transportation. Okay, so department. So let's see, boats, ships have been an important means of transportation from very early times, and they all need water, na, waterways. They move on water bodies like river, ocean and seas. Are you getting my point? So let's now learn about the importance of water for the animals and plants. So at first we'll see the importance of water for animals. Okay, so you can just see importance of water for animal. सबसे पहले तो क्या होता है, we drink water, है ना. And in the previous class we have seen that how the water plays important role in digestion of food. Okay, and all the biochemical reaction occur in our body just because of water takes place in the medium which is having water. The nutrient possesses in the food get dissolved in water. मैंने कहा ना, it is a universal solvent. So the nutrient dissolve in water. This help, and we take the mineral water, no, so all the minerals are dissolved in the water, and these minerals can be taken just because for water. This help their body to absorb the nutrients. So water help us na to absorb all the nutrients, minerals. And the animal bodies also produces waste material. Whatever the waste product we produce, everything get dissolved. Some of these waste get dissolved in the water and excreted in form of urine. Urine is a liquid having the water as solvent, so it is a really very wasteful material and very you can say toxic product which animal produces. So this need to be excreted out, and with the help of water it excreted out. Okay, then the water bodies like lakes, rivers, seas are the natural habitat. It is very important. You have seen so many animals which live in water bodies. So those animals are known as aquatic animals. So you can just see again, water bodies like lake, rivers, seas are the natural habitat for many animals, and animals living in the water are called aquatic animals na. Like आपका whale, seahorse, just see the fishes. So octopus, prawn, you can just see these are the examples. So what is the aquatic animal? Those animal which live in the water. So अभी मैंने importance of water बताई. तो habitat if I talk about, ये तो इनका aquatic animals के लिए water is just like their home ना, ये तो उनका घर ही होता है. So fish, whale, seahorse, prawn, octopus are some of the common aquatic animals. These animals cannot live outside the water. ये बाहर रह नहीं सकते because they respire through gills. Okay, they are having gills, and the gills work only in aquatic medium. When they come in outside the water, then their gills will be just very soon it will get dried, and it will be will not help them to respire well. Okay, so they'll die soon. Then there are some animals, they just look at the which live on the land as well as on aquatic, means in water. Those animals are known as amphibious. Okay, amphibious animals or amphibians in short we say. There are some other animals like frog, turtle, crocodile that can live both on water and on land. Okay, because they are having that adaptation. Such animals are called the amphibious animals. Okay, so it was about that how the water plays important role for animals. Now let's see the how the water plays important role for plants. So it is the importance of water for plants. You can just see we irrigate our field. Why? Because water will absorb by the plant. Okay, and the minerals present in soil will get dissolved in water, and that mineral nutrients will also go to the plant with the help of that water. So plant require various nutrients for their proper growth. These nutrients get dissolved in the water present in the soil. Whatever is present in soil will get dissolved in water, and this through the water it will go to the plant. Plant absorb water from the soil with the help of their roots. Okay, just look at here, it is soil is having nutrient will dissolve in water. Okay, and the root will take water, and this water will reach to the plant, and in this water there are nutrients also, so the nutrients will be absorbed by the plant. So you can just see that how the water is playing important role here. So this absorbed water transport the nutrient to various part of the plant. Plant also need water for preparing their own food. In case of photosynthesis we need water, है ना, which is the process of preparing their own food. Okay, so here you can just write for the photosynthesis. Okay, by the process of देखिए यहाँ लिखा हो, by the process of photosynthesis then the plant require water for germination of seed. You have seen that when you put seed in water it will germinate soon. Okay, so water help to in germination of seed, means the moisture we need, and moisture is a form of water. Then the water is a as animal live in water are called the aquatic animal, in same with the plants also live in water are called the aquatic plants. The water is a habitat for many plants and we call such plants as aquatic plants. Okay, for example water lily where it is not here. Okay, lotus, water hyacinth, it is also very important one. Then the duckweed, you can just see the water lettuce and hydrilla are some of the example of aquatic plant. Okay, so you can see that how the water plays a role in plant and for animals. Okay, so in the next topic it was all about for this part, which is part first, introduction of importance of water, and in the second part we will discuss how we get water and what is the availability of fresh water on the earth. Okay, so please read this topic from beginning to end. We will discuss the next part in or the next topics in the second part of this chapter. Okay class, hopefully this will help you to understand how the water is important for you. I think you should do as an assignment that you should write down at least 10 importance of water by yourself. Okay.